Okay, what have we got here today then? For Nate, what have we got?
A phone.
What phone is it?
It's a phone.
What? It is the Huawei P30 Pro, the new edition. New edition.
I want Andrew's old one, but he's selling it for 110, and I'm like, sell it for higher.
Now, I was contemplating getting the P40 Pro, which is obviously the next one up from this, but I couldn't be bothered not having all the Google apps because I need them and I use them. So I got the P30 Pro here. So
how much was that one?
$12 million. So we're just gonna knife in there, shonk, that should do it, and then peel off the plastic, the satisfying plastic.
I always
that little burp.
Yeah.
Good.
Third burp today.
Third burp.
I want to make it up to 5.
So as you can see, it is the new edition rather than the regular P30.
There's a logo at the back.
It has a logo at the back as well.
I don't even know what logo it is.
It's the Huawei logo. I'm not sure why they would have logos of anybody else on their product.
Can I?
Go on. Do you want to lift the lid up? Dun, dun, dun. You have to lift it up by that little flap there, I think. Be very careful.
I'm scared.
Just lift it up, take it out. There you go. Put that down there.
Is it
Put
a
that
flip?
down here. No. No one buys flip phones anymore. This is the ice grey, I think they call it, or steel grey or something.
So
I don't know. So we've got that. Inside the rest of the box, we've got a SIM removal tool. That's there. And also the warranty card. Throw that around.
You'll have to connect your AirPods to it so I can take them.
Quick start guide. Whatever.
We don't need it. We've dealt with phones before.
UK plug. It's quite weighty, that. Don't know if it's... I assume it'll be a fast charge, but it's a bit of weight in there. There you go. You can hold that. Power cable, USB-C, obviously. And some wired earphones with a USB-C connection. As you can see there. That's the box. Moving on. Right, so let's undo this.
The plastic.
Let's take this off.
So where's the screen?
Oh, it's quite heavy, but feels quite bulky. There's a sticker on the back there, not sure what that sticker is. Initial boot up. Let's see if there's any juice on this bad boy.
There's not a SIM.
Oh, vibration, there's something. There we go.
There's no SIM card in it.
Oh. Ping, pongy, ping. Oh.
And like calls.
England, United Kingdom, yeah, everyone always carefully reads the above terms, very good. Right, so we need to insert the SIM card. So we shall do that and then we shall return. Okay, let's try and get the SIM card removal tool out without crying. Okay, so we got the SIM card in, pay monthly. Move data from another device. Do we agree to that? Yeah, let's do that. Now I'm not sure whether this will work now because I've used the SIM card from this phone, my old one, into this one. So allow phone clone. Go. Yeah, you do it once. Go. Allow phone call. I don't want to use it in the app. Allow. Open the clone phone on the old phone. After all that, I did have it. Allow. Look at the difference in the screen, how white that one is compared to that one. Wow. This is the old phone. Allow. Yes.
Yes.
Scan it. Oh, it's connecting. Oh, there we go. That's connected. Took a minute or so. Oh, see? Yeah, we want the gallery, which is going to take ages. apps and data. Right, so this is, wow, it's going to take an hour. Holy guacamole.
An hour?
I think the gallery, most of that should be backed up onto the Google Cloud. What's apps and data? I should be able to get all that as well, because that's all on the Play Store. Okay, let's just do this.
What's this video gonna be?
Time left less than, oh, wow. Okay, that was fast.
It wasn't an hour.
So I think I might be done with that one now. Good night. Thank you for your service.
Old phone, you're gonna be going today.
Oh, I've got this one, which is importing nearly 3,000 messages. No one ever messages me. Apparently they do, because I've got 3,000 of them. Probably Domino's. Every bloody day, get a message of Domino's. Pizza, pizza, pizza. Come and eat pizza. Transfer complete. Finish. Yeah, go on. We'll connect to a Wi-Fi. Okay, so we've connected to the Wi-Fi now. Done. Checking for updates. Let that do its little thingamajoggles. I did think this phone came with a plastic case like the P30 did, but it would appear it doesn't. It's a bit of a pain in the bum. This is taking a little while.
What is this doing?
Use face recognition to unlock device. Direct unlock. Go on, let's try that. Right, so we'll lock it. I'm going to try face. What? What? Did I just... What? Did I just do it? Hang on. Face. Wow. If that's actually doing that, that is fast. Fingerprint. Wow. How fast that is? Finger... Just took... Wow. Face. What? Wow. I like that I can just throw the things away like that. Just throw your apps away. Look at all my photos. One photograph of a dirty table. You just like flick it away. Yeah, I like that. Seems to be really fast. Right, how'd you go back a screen? So if I wanted to just come out of that, how would I go back? No, that wasn't what I meant. So if I give you an example on this one, if I was on like gallery and then photos and then the Premier League, because Liverpool are the Premier League champions, you just press back to go back to all your photos rather than having to press this arrow up here. You just press back. Oh yeah, look at that. This weird yellow moth that was found that was on our curtain the other day. What's going on there? Yeah, that had that back one. So, if I was in here, that's fast. Gallery, photos. No, I want to go back. I don't want to edit it, I just want to go back without having to press up there. Oh, it's that. Yeah, it did show me before. Yeah, sorry about that. That's a little thing there where if you're going to be swiping from left to right, there's just something there that goes all the way down the screen. Like your finger hooks on a little bit, like the ridges in your fingerprint. I am moaning about the littlest things. It might be easier with me being left-handed. I just go. Apparently not, no. No, apparently it's not easier to do that. You're left-handed. Either that or I'm just an idiot. Right, okay, so there you go. P30 Pro New Edition. Very fast. Compared to the P20, side by side. There's, what's that? About half a centimetre, just over half a centimetre. I think the P20 looks fatter because it is. I don't think there's much in it. If you look at the bottom, there's not much in there at all, really. Back, similar camera layout, apart from the flash seems to have moved up and over. And I think, yeah, the buttons on the P20 are definitely wider. You can feel that these do feel quite harsh, whereas this is just quite nice and rounded. There seems to be quite sharp, not sharp, but it's just not as round as that. Tune, Nobody But You, George Fitzgerald, great tune there. Right, thank you very much. If you're still watching this, surely you've got something better to do. Surely, go and do that.